Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we have something truly special for all Tesla enthusiasts. If you're looking to enhance the aesthetic appeal of your vehicle, you've come to the right place. We're diving into what we believe is the best Tesla Plaid badge available on the market today. Whether you own a Model 3, Y, X, S, or even the Cybertruck, this badge is sure to elevate your Tesla experience. The TSTESE Plaid badge emblem is more than just a sticker, it's a statement. Crafted specifically for Tesla models, this emblem embodies the sleek and modern design that Tesla owners have come to love. Made from high-quality resin, it not only looks fantastic but is also lightweight and durable. This badge is designed to withstand the elements, so whether you're driving through rain or shine, you won't have to worry about it falling off or losing its luster. Installing the TSTESE Plaid badge is a breeze. With a strong backing adhesion using 3M adhesive stickers. All you need to do is tear off the protective layer, position the badge, and press it onto your vehicle. No tools are required, and you can achieve a professional-looking installation in just a few minutes. This user-friendly design ensures that even those who may not consider themselves DIY experts can easily add this touch of elegance to their Tesla. One of the standout features of this badge is its compatibility. It's suitable for all Tesla models, including the Model 3, Model Y, Model X, Model S, Cybertruck, and even the Roadster. So no matter which Tesla you drive, this badge fits right in. It's a perfect addition for those who want to showcase their Tesla pride while maintaining the car's sleek aesthetics. The TSTESE Plaid badge is made from high-quality resin, ensuring it's not only visually appealing but also resilient. The design features a dynamic three-dimensional look that catches the eye, giving your Tesla a more aggressive and sporty appearance. The black and white plaid pattern is synonymous with Tesla's high-performance branding, making it an ideal upgrade for anyone looking to enhance their vehicle's visual appeal. In conclusion, if you're a Tesla owner looking for a simple yet impactful way to elevate your car's exterior, the TSTESE Plaid badge emblem is undoubtedly the best choice. With its easy installation, high compatibility, and durable materials, it's an upgrade you won't regret. For just under $10, you can transform the look of your vehicle and showcase your Tesla pride. Thank you for tuning in to Product Critique. If you enjoyed this review and found it helpful, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and let us know your thoughts in the comments below. What modifications have you made to your Tesla? Until next time, drive safe and keep critiquing.